Are you off, Mick?
I don't know what I think now, bro. It's going to come down.
Well, I was going to say, do you want to put a foot on brake?
Actually, yeah.
Esme, do me a favour, see that big pedal there?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
Press it down.
Why?
Just go forward. Press it as hard as you can. Harder. That's it, try that.
Press as hard as you can.
That's it.
There we go.
No,
Go
keep it
on.
pressed.
Press it as hard as you can.
Keep it, that's it. Keep it pressed.
There we go.
That's it, keep your foot there. No, yeah, press it harder if you can. There you go. No,
Hey.
that's it. What are you getting scared for? You?
That's pocket money.
That's brake.
Can I go now?
Yeah, you can let go now.
No.
Interesting. Do you want to push it in for you, mate? Darren having fun with the infamous dodgy bolt.
It's just come off now. As far as it's gone.
Oh. Is it slacking now?
No.
No, it's still fucked. No. So Shane's been working on this side. That's all the drive shaft bolts from the transfer box on this side. Me and Darren did the other side. So now all that's left. So what's left now is to disconnect the propeller shaft. How many bolts was the propeller shaft yesterday? 4. 3.
3 on that, yeah.
What size were they?
10mm multi-spine.
10mm multi-spine, I have no idea what that is. But Shane knows. Yeah. Shane's in the process of removing the subframe. We think there's only 1 or 2 more bolts and then it'll drop. Oh, just one side maybe. And the tyre's been put there to try and catch it, to stop it bouncing. Mate, yeah, you got it. Shane smashing life there.
Still caught on something somewhere, right?
Ah, there you go. Yeah, do you know what do you know that pump thing? Remember the what we were looking at, Shane, yesterday? Yeah. That,
Oh, yeah.
it's a 10mm. It's a 10mm, that one. Yeah. What was that part called when you checked it yesterday?
Electric vacuum pump.
What was that for? Steering?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who said it was a 10?
Right. So what size is it? 13?
Yeah.
See? See, now that's why I said 13. Didn't really. I said 10 as well, to be fair.
I think it was 10 on the wall.
Do you know what? It probably was. We can just make it up as we go along, it's alright.
Where's the front grills gone?
They're in the car because I was going to paint them yesterday. I was going to take the bumper off, but the Torx 25 up in the wheel well on this side is rusted. Which is annoying because these plastics, you know, them plastic ends that are on the end of the bumper in front of the wheel, the ones I had were new-ish. These ones are crusty, but I sent them with the flipping bumper. Where we are. And it's off. That's the subframe out. That's Shane, one-man army for you, that. I think he did that one with his eyes closed this time.
Disconnected. Just check for wires.
Sorry, mate. And there it is. That's sorry, Shane. It's a Shane and Darren special. They make it look easy, right? Can't teach it. Well, he could. Shane tried, but Dan wasn't paying attention.
Go on. Well, on the part of the car now. Well, good flag to get out there, isn't it? Normally, you bring it through the wheel well there.
Right, so really we could have done with one of the shitty jacks over here, couldn't we? Look at that, it's like Christmas, new tool day. And there's one this side as well. See, we're going to take these out to see if these wings have still got foam behind them.
Yeah, get rid of that.
Yeah.
Bit of mud out of here, right?
Yeah. You're telling me there's a hole
You
in
could
my
easily
chassis?
wound in then, couldn't you?
I was just like, yeah. You're winning there, mate.
Normally just standing off it, isn't it?
Well, that's a breaker's life, isn't it? Just pull it all apart.
Only fair.
No, mate, just recording you. Spectator spot. For now.
You got it. I should not get your hands down, mate. Not it's out now.
That's the spirit, Dan. Watch me bumper. Do you want me to take that bumper off?
I should try. It's a bit there.
There it is. All that for that.